Today we want to talk about the need for an insert in your cabinet. Most women are taught how to sew in an upright position. You set a sewing machine on any kitchen table and that's how you're taught to sew. The problem with that type of sewing is after hours of sitting, it's very painful. There's not a good ergonomics. So if you'll notice, just the position right now of my wrists, they're at a 90-degree angle, which is really bad. And as you can imagine, after several hours of sewing, your wrists are going to hurt. As well as for seam construction, as you're pushing your fabric up and over the free arm of your machine, it's hard to get a straight line. So what an insert will do for you is it makes sewing comfortable so you can sit and do it for hours, as well as it makes your seam construction straighter. So what I want to show you is you're going to press your cabinet down into that flatbed position. You'll purchase a custom insert that's going to fit your machine exactly. And you'll get it in place into the cabinet. Thing that you should notice right off the bat is, again, your wrists are laying flat, and as you push your fabric through the needle of your machine, you're going to have complete control of that fabric, getting a straighter seam. So this is why it's really important whenever you buy a cabinet that you also get a custom insert.